Today, let's explore how our high borosilicate glass products are transformed from raw materials into high-temperature resistant, highly stable premium glassware through our signature large furnace blowing process. The journey of our high borosilicate glass begins with the meticulous selection of raw materials. The primary components include quartz sand, borax, and boric acid, which build heat resistance and toughness, complemented by aluminum elements to enhance structural strength. Our preparation follows a standardized, precise process, resulting in a uniform batch mixture that is fed into the furnace hopper. Most importantly, we guarantee that our glass raw materials, and consequently, the final products, are completely free from any harmful heavy metals, such as lead, cadmium, arsenic, or antimony, ensuring your safety. Melting is the heart of high borosilicate glass production. We place the blended batch into our high-temperature furnaces, where it is heated to intense temperatures between 1,600 degrees Celsius and 1,680 degrees Celsius. Under this extreme heat, the raw materials gradually melt, convect, and clarify, forming a homogeneous glass liquid. Gases and impurities are effectively removed, significantly enhancing the purity of the molten glass. At Qiaoxing Glass, we preserve the traditional art of glass blowing while integrating contemporary techniques. This allows us to create diverse, high borosilicate glass products. Our manual blowing process involves several key steps. Step 1. Gathering. Our skilled artisans use a hollow, approximately 1.6 meter long blowpipe, also made of high borosilicate glass, to gather the right amount of molten glass from the furnace. Using a blowpipe of the same material prevents contamination of the working solution. Step 2. Marvering. The gathered glass is rolled on a marvering plate to pre-shape it and ensure an even thickness. Step 3. Blowing. By blowing through the opposite end of the pipe while rotating and skillfully maneuvering it, the artisan utilizes gravity, air pressure, centrifugal force, and temperature differentials to form an initial bubble. Step 4. Shaping. This bubble can be freely shaped or blown into molds for precise definition. Step 5. Demolding. Once shaped, the item is cracked off the blowpipe for cooling. The paramount advantage of manual blowing is its unparalleled flexibility. It's not constrained by machines or fixed molds, allowing for immense creative freedom in form and color. By leveraging various physical principles and techniques, we can achieve complex shapes, targeted thickness control, and unique artistic value, making our customization services exceptionally flexible compared to factories using other production methods. The shaped glass products must undergo a critical annealing process to eliminate internal thermal stress. The annealing temperature for our high borosilicate glass is carefully controlled at around 650 degrees Celsius. We heat the glass to 650 degrees Celsius and then cool it down to room temperature at a very slow rate of 1 to 2 degrees Celsius per minute to avoid residual thermal stress and cracking. After annealing, the glass blanks may undergo further processing like grinding, polishing, cutting, drilling, and welding to achieve the exact final dimensions, shapes, and functional structures required. Every piece of our high borosilicate glass is subjected to rigorous quality checks before leaving our factory, ensuring it meets all performance benchmarks. With a low thermal expansion coefficient, it withstands extreme temperature changes, making it safe for use in freezers, on open flames, gas stoves, and in microwaves and ovens. The product is resistant to acids and alkalis, does not retain odors, is easy to clean, and is dishwasher safe. It does not dissolve or leach any toxic or harmful elements, making it safe for prolonged cooking and long-term storage of food and beverages. We are deeply committed to sustainable practices. We prioritize eco-friendly materials and precise formulations to reduce the generation and emission of harmful substances during production. 1. cooling water is recycled in a closed-loop system, achieving zero wastewater discharge. 2. Glass debris generated in production is collected and reused as raw material. Crucially, we strictly use only our own production cullet, avoiding any purchased recycled waste materials, thereby guaranteeing the stability and purity of our product formulation. 3. We utilize an all-electric melting furnace process, which produces no exhaust gas emissions. The fully enclosed furnace also significantly reduces heat radiation, improving comfort in the working environment. We continuously strive to innovate with greener technologies, upholding our philosophy of green manufacturing and sustainable development. In summary, our manufacturing process and products offer you 3 key benefits. 1. More flexible customization services. Our craft allows us to customize a vast majority of products on the market. Furthermore, if you have new product ideas, we can perfectly bring them to life. 2. Higher quality. Whether it's durability, heat resistance, clarity, or product health and environmental safety, our quality leads in multiple dimensions compared to most products available. 3. Better value for money. We confidently promise this. At the same price, our quality is superior. For the same quality, our price is more competitive. In the design and manufacturing of our glass products, we utilize healthier materials, strive to meet the needs of a more diverse user base, and expand our product applications to a wider range of scenarios. Simultaneously, we respect and celebrate the diverse yet equally beautiful lifestyles and cultures from around the world. Qiaoxing Glassware. New possibilities in your life.